Welcome back to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let us see how to assign baselines to projects in Oracle Primavera P6. First, go to the menu bar, go to Project tab and then click on Assign Baseline. Now use the same baseline dialog box to designate the current project or an existing baseline as a project or primary or secondary or the tertiary baseline. Here in the project section, you will be seeing the selected project for which you are assigning a baseline. In the project baseline field, select the desired baseline or the current project. If no baseline is selected, the current project is used as the baseline project. Each baseline field here in this dialog lists the current project and all existing baselines for the selected project. To use an existing baseline as a primary baseline, select an existing baseline in the primary field. If you do not select anything for the primary baseline, the current project will be treated as the primary baseline. Similarly, you need to select for the secondary and the tertiary project baselines. You can assign only one primary, secondary and tertiary baseline to your project. Secondary and tertiary baselines are not exactly required. Once the project is updated, you can quickly evaluate progress and performance. Use a layout which shows current and baseline to identify tasks that are starting or finishing later than the planned dates. Here in this tabular activities, you can add planned value, actual cost till date and earn value to identify tasks which are behind the schedule and over the budget. Run the earn value report to analyze your schedule where I am using the primary or the project baseline here. If you display the baseline under the current bars in the Gantt chart, you can easily check whether your schedule is progressing according to the original plan or not. Here, I have set my current primary baseline in the yellow color and you can save this as a layout as per your requirement. You can also set the order as per your wish. So this is how I assign the baselines to the project in Primavera P6. Now let's see how to set the preferences for your baseline values. So you need to choose the earn value settings to calculate the earn value analysis. Here in this projects window, select a project, go to below details section, then in settings tab, choose to calculate earn value using the project baseline or the baseline you have defined as your primary baseline. Now go to admin and then click admin preferences. In the earn value calculation section, now choose to calculate your earn value using at completion values with current days or budgeted values with current dates or budgeted values with planned dates. Using this, you can set the preferences on how to calculate the earn value analysis for your project. So friends, this is all about assigning baselines in the Oracle Primavera P6 and the earn value analysis settings. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials.